Alright, hello all. It's Loner 420 from Loner 420 House here on Vancouver Island, Englishman River, having my 420 hour. It's a little early, but happy 420 all. I'm out at Englishman River. Been raining on and off all day today. Saw two double rainbows, a little break in the action. Thought I'd come out with the dog. Waters are rising a bit. Yeah, this is Loner 420 House. Wishing everybody a happy 420. Beautiful. Vancouver Island. Got an eagle right up there. Just landed. A little smoky here. Oh boy. Signing out.